Want to make $120,000 to $160,000 a year? Do you want to have a job that you're excited to show up to every morning, that helps you live the lifestyle that you want to live? Whether that means working with great people in an office, working from the comfort of your own home, or even traveling the world. A job in technology is quite diverse and can enable not only your professional dreams, but can also help you achieve your personal goals. Hi, I'm Andrew, and I would love to help out. Whatever you imagine your destination to be, navigating your career doesn't need to be difficult. In fact, it can be really exciting, and I'd love to be a part of that. I'm offering a webinar on how to break into a career in technology, how to advance your career, and how to unlock your full potential. You have the power to be wildly successful and make your dreams happen. Just click the link to register for the free webinar to find out more.